Hi guys, this is Isa, your creative designer here, bringing you another grocery haul. This time, this is a special grocery haul actually because it is my first vegan grocery haul, and I'm excited about the dishes that I'm going to be preparing. So let me go ahead and show you. It's a huge one. So let me go ahead and show you what I purchased. Okay. So first, with vegan dishes, you have to use a lot of beans, and I'm allergic to beans. So I got me chickpeas, some bush garbanzo chickpeas, and I got 2 cans of this. And I got, let's see, I'm gonna turn the TV down, okay? I got some Fiesta style corn, and I got me some low sodium chicken broth as well. It's the other can of corn. I got two of those. And I got 2 cans of chicken broth. Got me some carrots. I absolutely love carrots. So I got two. They were 99 cents. Okay. And today I've got me some plain peanut butter. No No salt, no preservatives, nothing. Just peanuts in the machine, come out plain. And I have a dish in mind that I want to try this on. And I got me some apples. Apples, these were actually two for $1, believe it or not. And I got like 6 of them. And I got me some Thai jasmine rice. Got 2 packs of those. And I got some rosini ginger hair pasta. These were 75 cents. Great deal. I got 2 of them. And it's just me, so I got me like maybe 3 bananas or so. And I love jalapenos, and I use them. I put them in my egg whites. I use them daily, so I got me a whole 2 pounds. 2 pounds of jalapeno peppers. Yeah. And see these little cucumbers? These are actually baby cucumbers. Let me take it out so you can see. Um, these are baby cucumbers. Look at them. They're very cute. These were actually two for $1. So I got a ton of those. And I got me some bell peppers. I thought I got green, but I guess not. Orange, yellow, and red. Got me orange, yellow, and red. I'm gonna make me a cheesesteak for dinner, and I'm gonna use the mushroom to make the cheesesteak. So I'm gonna bring that on as well. But I'm gonna use some of this along with let's see, my Fiesta corn, the cheesesteak with the Fiesta corn. That's my dinner for Friday night. And I got some Japanese sweet potatoes. These are Japanese sweet potatoes. At least that's what I call them. I think they are too, but these are really, really good, especially if you're, trying to practice veganism. These are really good as well. And let's see what else I've got. Got some potatoes. Got some of those. These are the white potatoes. These are white potatoes. And look, guys, got me some huge mushrooms. They were actually on sale for 189, and I got like 2 packs of them. These mushrooms has 100% vitamin D in them. So I'm going to between today and tomorrow and Sunday, I'm going to be using these because I don't want it to spoil. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to make my cheesesteak. It's gonna be very interesting, really interesting. And I got two of those, so I'm gonna use the second one for a different type of dish that I'm doing. And of course, I got me a ton of garlic as well. And I got me some cabbage. I wanted to get the red cabbage, but I can get that later. But this will do for now. And I also got me some baby bella. I got 2 packs of these, the baby bella mushroom there somewhere. But yeah, I got 2 packs. And I got me some green onions. See my green onions? These were maybe two for $1 or so. Yeah. And of course, I had to get some grapes. Package and wash. But I always, you know, I always wash my grapes more than one time. Even if they're in here like this, I still wash them again. And crazy thing is, I actually wash them in hot water. Ain't that something? But yeah, I wash these again, and I wash them in warm water, not hot water, but warm water. I count from 1 to 30. That's 30 seconds. And I wash them again. You can never be too careful. And I got some gold veggie cheese. This is actually vegan cheese as well. And I got more jasmine rice. Let's see what else I got. I got two of these. These were actually two for $4. I got two of these, and I got some yeast to make my own bread. I'm gonna be trying a recipe out for my own bread. This is fast rise yeast to make my own bread. And, of course, I got a bag of onions. Can't do without onions. Gotta have it. I got me some chipotle, no, not chipotle, dried pimentos. This is dried pimentos, and I'm going to be using this in my chickpea tuna substitute tuna chickpea. I have a recipe for instead of eating the actual tuna, I'm going to use chickpeas to fix it's called chickpeas tuna sandwich is what it's called. So that's what I'm going to do. But and I also, hold on 1 second, I'll be right back, okay? I got some veganese and egg whites. Veganese, veganese and egg whites. This thing is $7, $7.59 to be exact. So it's pretty costly. Whereas regular mayonnaise is like $2.99, $3, but this is $7, almost $8. And I got some egg whites as well. Um, and let's see. I also got some almond milk, but that's in the refrigerator. But yes, guys, that is my first vegan grocery haul, and I'm gonna be doing more because I discovered a website, online website called Thrive Market, and they sell actual vegan food, I mean like crumbles and things like that. So I'm gonna be shopping there and getting some things from there as well. So I am keeping my fingers crossed as I start this new journey with the veganism. I can turn some of my own international foods into vegan. I don't have to have meat in it. I can still cook those foods and eat the same food, but it doesn't have to have meat in it. So yeah, and I'm excited because there's so many recipes out there. It's so much, so many things you can put together, and I've come across a lot of recipes online, and some of the ladies that's vegan right now on YouTube, I've seen some recipes that I'm going to tweak and make my own. It's not going to be the same, but yeah, basically that's my haul for today. I need to put these things up. But guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Join my family. Come and keep me company. Um, my name is Isa. I'm just going into veganism and I'm loving it. This channel is about a lot of things. It's about food, baking, cooking, my new life as a vegan, trying to, make this transition to veganism. Is about home decor, the grocery hauls, the holiday stuff, the decor for the home. It's about a lot of things, not just one thing. So that's what makes it exciting. And for those of you that subscribe, thank you so much. For those of you that's just viewing, keep viewing, and please subscribe. I thank you for coming, and please be blessed. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.